Cones are the die-cast aluminum parts that are installed into a torsion spring. There are two main functions of cones: winding and stationary. The winding cone has 4 holes where winding bars are inserted to add and relieve the tension on a torsion spring. The winding cone is secured to the counterbalance shaft by tightening its 2 set screws. The stationary cone has 2 mounting holes that secure the spring to a center bracket that stabilizes the tension on the spring. The winding cones are what secures the spring to the shaft so that the spring's lifting force can be transferred to the rest of the counterbalance assembly when the door is set in motion. When working with torsion springs, it is important to get the correct winding bars to match the application and cone hole size. Using the incorrect tools to add or adjust the tension on a spring could result in serious bodily injury. Therefore, it is imperative you have the correct sizes. SSC also carries a product called the donkey cone. This device allows for safe tension adjustment for some common scenarios. First, it will allow you to convert the standard 4-hole winding cone into an 8-hole cone. By adding the number of holes to the cone, it will allow you to relieve the tension on a spring if the existing cone is damaged. With 8 holes, it creates a 45-degree option instead of a standard 90-degree option when adjusting the tension of a spring. This provides the ability to wind or unwind springs in extreme low headroom situations without modifying the size of the winding bars. Winding cone covers are also available for 1 3/4 and 2-inch spring fittings. These are an additional safety device that restricts access to the winding holes and set screws to prevent the torsion spring from being adjusted by an untrained homeowner. As always, SSC will be here to answer any questions you might have to make sure that you order the best combination of products for your next job.